Hey, good morning. Are we live? I think we're live. Good morning, fellas. We are live. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Fred Yeager, good morning. Michael Timbo Trader, Jake Dell, Bruce Lee, Tech 111, Black Coffee, good morning. Best Guest Trading, Sam Owen, Jeremy Shaw, Niles. Good morning, Niles. How we doing? All right, fellas, we are live. Let's do this. Let's do this. Looks like we're so overnight session, a little bit of a pullback in the overnight session, nothing major. Overnight lows down here, the 250, what is it? 255s. Let's see if we take out those overnight lows, maybe. But we're chilling. No rush here. Sean Trader, Green Otter, Carolina, good morning. Mr. Skedaddle, good morning. John, how we doing, John? Overnight gold was a good trade. Yeah, I was watching gold, actually. And, man, gold is... What a move lower on gold. From the 40, almost 4,400s down to the 4,200s. That's a big move. Are we finally going to see a pullback on gold? Who knows? All right, gotta make sure. I think this is all good to go. All right. All right, market testing that 255 level. I mean, we're chilling. Nothing to do here until after at least 9:45. Cly, good morning. RXHX, good morning. Daryl Bapty in the house. Tate, good morning. What up, party people? Gold is the NQ, what the NQ is to ES. That's actually true, John. That's true. I've still not really traded gold. I've not brought myself to do it yet. Maybe I should. Maybe I should. Oh. All right, getting a bounce off of that 255s. Let's see. I don't know. Is this just going to rip higher? The 1 hour chart. The 1 hour chart is looking, I mean, it's looking pretty bullish. We are very close to making new all-time highs. Yesterday, we were what? 30, 40 points away from making new all-time highs, which is crazy. Crazy to think we had a 1,200 point drop Friday a week ago, and we're already about to make new highs. This market is crazy. I'll stick with NQ. She's crazy, but I love crazy. Yeah, it's true. Hey, John, is that... Wait. Weird Al Yankovic. Oh, man. Hey, good morning, M. Susan. Okay, I want to check something. Man, I can't believe it. So yesterday, Topstep X was having all these issues, right? They were having all these issues, and then they just went and reset the whole day for everyone, regardless if they were affected or not. And they just wiped out all the profits and everything. I can't, that's crazy. I can't believe that they just wiped out the profits and everything. But yeah, keep jabbing. Like, that's crazy. I mean, yeah, I've never heard. I mean, I've heard numerous times if there are outages, prop firms always reset or revert to the prior day balance if you had a loss. But they almost never adjust if you had a profitable day, they let it go. But that now they're just resetting everything, like including the profits. I'd be so mad. Like, imagine you were trading and the outage didn't affect you in any way. Like, imagine you were fine, you were trading before and no issues, right? And you make like thousands of dollars. I saw a guy on Twitter post how he had $15,000 in profits. He never had any issues with Topstep X yesterday. And then they just went and wiped out his profit from yesterday. Yay, that's crazy. I'd be so mad. I would be mad. It's for our own safety to wipe out your profits. Yeah, exactly. Keep jabbing, but keep jabbing. Oh my goodness. That's crazy. All right, market. I'm really curious. I do feel like, I don't know why I have this feeling, but I just got this feeling that we might not get much of a setup today. Oh, I don't know. We might just kind of go sideways today. I'm probably a little bit more biased that we go lower than anything. I think there's a bigger chance that we have a pullback day than making new all-time highs, but hey, we'll just wait and see. We're just going to trade whatever's in front of us. Not going to try to overthink it. It's a short, thank me later. Well, that's just what I said. I kind of like shorts better than longs, but we're going to wait and see. Hey, good morning, Steve. Kevin G, good morning. Dabda, good morning. M. Susan. Oh, wow. They reset your $100 profit. How dare they? Samo and Micro Player, Classic Man, good morning. Full Tilt Futures, good morning. But that I don't know. That's pretty wild. All right, market's just hanging out down here at the 270s. Can't seem to really be we're not really doing much. Not really doing much. Hey, Phidias Prompt Firm in the building. How we doing? Good to see you. Market might be waiting for CPI. Yeah, wait, but that's Friday, right? CPI is confirmed for Friday, right? All he does is just for your own good. Yeah, exactly. He's the Mother Teresa. The holier of holies. Hey, good morning, Dove Gordon. My mic is low. Testing. I mean, it shouldn't. PacWest Photo, really? I don't feel like my mic is low. Like if I look at my volume, it's not. I can turn it up a little bit, but I don't know. Hey, hey, Kellyanne. Good morning, Kellyanne. All right. Yeah, I think we're good. You might have your sound on Trades by Matt might be just a little bit extra loud. All right, we are losing the 250s. Low of the overnight session has been breached. Now let's I mean, we could make a move all the way down here to like the 140s. So yeah, we might be going this is starting to look like kind of what I've been looking at. I do think we go lower. But let's wait and see. I'm not taking a trade till after probably at least 10 o'clock. Wait till at least 10 o'clock here. K Trader. Hey, Kellyanne, number one. Let's go. Number one on the leaderboard. Love to see it. Keep it up. I want the head of it down like forgetting Sarah Marshall tea. Yeah, I think the mic's good. Wow, look at this dump. We're dumping, boys. Down below the 240s now. Interesting. And now we're getting a bounce off the 230s. Are we going to rip straight back up here, or what's the plan? I am just not very anxious to be. I'm just going to wait. You're winning this? Let's go, Kellyanne. I hope you do. I hope you win. I'd be totally down for that. You didn't even turn your computer on yet? What do you mean? Kellyanne, you just roll out of bed? You just roll out of bed? It's 9:44. Come on. Time to get those glass slippers on and get moving. You can't be slacking like this. There's work to do. Hey, look at that. We're getting that pump higher. Let's see. Let's see if this just continues lower now. I don't know. Wow, what a dump back down. She wants to dump it. All right, are we going to make new lows? Feel like we're going to have to look at, I feel like shorts are going to set up here, or getting a short set up here is way more likely than a long. We're below the VWAP. We're putting in lower lows. Now we just need a good entry. Need a good entry on the 21 EMA. And we are going to be ready to roll. Account admin mode, PA so far. Wait, Daryl Bapty. That's usually admin mode is never a good sign. It's never good. I need some evals. Anyone running in a good sale? Best guess trading. Right now, probably Tradeify is running a 40% sale. That's Tradeify right now is probably the best sale, I would say. I think also Lucid is running 35%, so that's not terrible. Just depends whatever you like, what you prefer. Actually, Lucid is doing 45% off on the test accounts. You know what? I forgot. I did not see that until just now. I got to update my banner. Let me do that. I can work while I watch the market. Wow, look at that bounce. We did make new lows and just immediately back up 30 points. Man, look at that. We just right back down. Wow, right back down, testing the 220s now. Starting to get a little bit violent. Market's selling off here. We're getting some pretty decent bounces, but then just immediately back down. I might be short on gold on an eval, wishing I was. Hey, take care, Kellyanne. Take care and lock in those green days. Lock it in. Yeah, actually, take Profit Trader 40% off, no activation fee. That might be the best. I mean, that's a really solid deal. That's really solid. Yeah, resets are allowed. Couldn't you just YOLO accounts? I mean, that's basically what some people are doing. Up 997, Frank Martin. That's awesome, Frank Martin. That sounds like a good day to me. You remember how to get rid of the text at the top of your chart. Actually, I was debating. I was trying to remember how to do that. It's fine. I'll leave it. That way I don't care. It's fine. And we're back up into the 250s. it keeps looking like we're going to make a big move to the upside, but then we just go straight back down. We do have the 15-minute range is in. 15-minute range is 71 points. We've got the 232s and the highs are 253 or 304s and 233s. So I actually want to update. There we go. Now I can see it a little bit better. Hey, Trader Chick, go to indicators, remove the label. Oh, that's how you do it. Label. Oh, I do remember that. I am gonna do it though. I'm gonna do it now. Just makes it look a little bit cleaner. Where's the label for this one? Jeez. This thing has so many options, it's insane. Here we go, label. Wow, look at this move right back up. All right, I mean, we could see, this is where I'm not a huge fan of these setups. Volatility is just a little bit too high here. The reason I don't like it, even with 2 micros, in order for this to trigger short, I would basically, my entry would be right here. I mean, I guess you could. I mean, that's not as bad as I thought. We're gonna take this. It is what it is. The setup is there. We're below VWAP. Everything checks out. We gotta take it. We gotta take it. Do I have to leave the room now, right? I gotta leave the room, I think. I might have to leave the room. Oh! What was that? What was that? Dump it! Dump it! Come on, give me. Oh, did you see that wick? Why couldn't you wick down and hit me? Oh, come on, man. You're killing me. You're killing me, man. It's fine. We're just going to leave it. It's all good. Just hope we get a continuation here. Dump it. Dump it. Come on. You can do it. Oh, oh. You can do it. I believe in you, market. I believe in you. All right. I will move my stop. I will move my stop here. I'm going to move it. I'm going to move it here. Mike, come on. This is where I could just take my profit here. Nah. Give me a wick. Give me a wick. Give me a wick. Wick lower. Hit it. Let's go. Let's go. We are. All right. I'm happy with that trade. 2 micros. Nothing too, it wasn't nothing too crazy, but I'm happy with that. Man, we keep getting these very, very choppy action here. Hey, let's go, skedaddle. That's what we're talking about. What copier it is? This is the Replicanto trade copier, is what I always use. Man, this does feel heavy. This thing could keep going. We could come test like the 160s, I guess. I'm trying to debate. If we come back up here and retest this 21 EMA, we probably take that trade again. Also, I need to screenshot this and document this trade. Kind of having fun with this. This 30 trade challenge, I'm surprised how much I like it. It's a lot of fun. I have way less anxiety. I have way less anxiety about taking trades. It's just very simple. I just take the trade if the setup is there, and that's it. That's my only job. Makes things so much easier. Don't have to overthink it. All right, my entry was there. I'm pretty sure this was a 100% setup grade, I think. Trade number 7 of 30. How much was the trade? We entered it at the 250s, took profit. So a 30-point trade. All right, let's see. All right, trade number 7 of 30, documented. We were below VWAP, obvious downtrend, broke, tested the 21 EMA, broke the previous candle entry, took profit. I mean, that should, that'll do it. Man, this is starting to feel like we're going to get more short setups here. I will take another setup. I will take it. I can double. Actually, I mean, that was an okay risk. I actually thought this move was higher. I thought that was more. I was kind of hesitant to take the trade. But after I realized it was a risk, the risk was actually pretty good. Why are you documenting your trade? Was required from Apex? Cuban coffee trader? No, I'm just doing it for I'm just doing it for me. I'm doing the 30 trade challenge where I am documenting every trade I take for 30 trades, and my only goal to make sure I take the exact same setup or the same strategy setup for 30 trades. That's it. It's a very simple concept. Just 30 trades, no exceptions. Don't do any willy-nilly trades. No going off the deep end, trying to catch bottoms, nothing like that. Only take the setups and then see what happens. And see what happens after 30 trades. That's all. That's all we can do. Trigger control. Hey, how we doing, Quangar? Amazing when we follow our plan. Doesn't always work, but it gives confidence. It is green otter. Honestly, if I do this for 30 trades and I like it, I'm just going to do this. This is what I'm going to do from now on. I actually love it. Even if it's a loss. Obviously, it's way more fun when the trade wins. But even if it's a loss, if I can check all the boxes and I'm like, hey, I followed my plan. Everything I did according to plan, it just didn't work out. It's way easier to accept that loss than if you're just kind of throwing darts at a wall. But man, this is very sluggish. It feels like this thing does not want to go higher. We're basically hanging out right here at the 220s. It quiets your brain and emotions. Yeah, it does. It does. I miss you pleading the market after trying to catch a bottom. Frozen North. I do not miss that. I don't miss that one bit. That is not fun. Trying to catch bottoms is, you know what they say, trying to pick bottoms gives you stinky fingers. And that's true. And I don't like it. Not one bit. All right, market trying to get something going here. Trying to get a ripper going. Huh. All right. Let's see. I mean, we might get another setup here, and I think we got to take it. No setup yet, though. No Didi. No baby oil required. I don't like it. Okay, we have touched the EMA. Want to see? We got to wait till this candle closes, then we'll see if we get an entry. $20 seconds remaining. This will be my entry if we do get it. And man, that wicked in quickly. I'm going to just gonna see. Hey, now we wait. All right, I need to use the restroom. I'll be right back. And we're back. You know what? Boy, what do I do here? Oh, boys. You know what? I think I'm okay with my stop where it is. Right? We just let our stop work and we trail the 21 EMA. If we break above this 254s, I think we get out. If not, we look for new lows. I like it. Let's let the trade work. Dump it. Come on, market. Give me new lows. You can do it. It's kind of trying to. We might not get new lows here. This thing might rip. Can we get a dump? I might take. If we make a move back above this, I'll get out. Yeah, we're probably getting stopped here. Yep, that's all right. Pretty much a what? Break-even trade? Yeah, pretty much. We just could not make new lows. All right. I'm okay with that. We let the trade work. We let it work. That's the main thing. Oh, all right. Now I'm curious. Is this going to keep going higher or are we going to start rolling over again? This is also, so now I feel like I probably should not, being that we did not make new lows. So being that we didn't make new lows, I can't take this next setup is not valid. So now we just got to wait. This is where we might wait a while, which is okay. Hey, thank you, John. Can we use Replicanto for multiple rhythmic accounts with different prop firms? Max 90, I mean, technically, you would have to do it with Ninja Trader. And with Ninja Trader, you can only connect one rhythmic account. You can connect multiple Tradeivate accounts, yes, but you can only have one rhythmic account. Oh, you were in the same trade, John? Let's go. This might still work out. We probably, I don't know. It depends. It's going to be interesting to see what we do. I feel like there's a chance that this could still work out, but I'm totally okay with where I got. I'm okay with it. Yep, we're starting to make a move higher. We are starting to make the move higher. So we had I mean, technically we took a loss of 28. So we technically would have had a loss. I'm going to count that as a break even though. 2-point loss is same as a break even. in my opinion. All right, but I think everything was, we didn't do anything wrong. We did not do anything wrong. That's the main thing. Trade number 8 of 30. We're almost a third of the way there. Whoops. Like Mark Douglas said, it ain't working reverse position and double the risk to get it all back. That is not what he said, scalping with Tom. Or something else. Hey, Coach Captain Crunch. I was listening earlier. I'm absolutely avoiding Topstep. That reset was messed up. Yeah, that's pretty messed up. That is pretty messed up, man. Yeah, I don't know, man. Not a big fan of that. Wait, S Stewart just jumped on, so not sure if this was discussed. But just FYI, I just activated a past Apex eval and it was $85 lifetime. Really? I did not know that. I actually heard, I wanted to ask someone about that. So the $85 lifetime fee is still going on. Is the 80% sale still going on? That's crazy. I did not get an update. Previous 2 days, the 3-minute opening range was low in the morning. Well, hasn't it? It's been like that all. Oh, wow. Look at this. We might. Wow. Wow. Look at that rip higher. Man, this is where I'm so thankful. Hey, just take your loss and move on. One thing I could start doing, I guess, I'm trying to think if I backtest this or not, but once my first take profit hits, I could move my stop to break even. I've considered doing that. I don't know. I think that's kind of a discretionary thing. Well, we are officially above VWAP, fellas. She's ripping. We might, if this keeps going, we might get a long setup here. Okay, it's not 80%. Okay. What reset? What happened, Abraham? Topstep had issues yesterday, so they just voided yesterday's trading session for everybody. Doesn't matter if you made profit, didn't have any issues at all. Your profits and everything was voided yesterday if you traded on Topstep X. That's crazy. Like, exactly, John. Michael Batak would blast Apex all the time for their issues, but you know what? Apex would always void only the losses. If you had a profitable day and there were connection issues, Apex allowed you to keep your profit. They only voided people that had red days. That is a big difference. Big difference. Oh, there were so many issues back in the day, John. Oh, the rhythmic issues. Whack when they were, oh man. And remember, John, do you remember when like Apex kept running 90% sales and every day they keep having connection issues and overload? Oh, and I would be like texting them like, dude, shut down the 90% sale so that servers can handle it. The servers were literally on fire. And nope, no worries. Just keep resetting. It's like, man, those days were wild. Oh, it's crazy. That's why we still love Apex with the crazy rules. Hey, that pretty much, I mean, the return on investment potential with Apex is the reason, in my opinion, why people still use them. It's just the return on investment is hard to beat. It is hard to beat. All right, getting a little pullback here. I'm trying to think what we would need. We need clear price above the VWAP, first of all. Then we are going to need to get these EMAs up there. It's going to take a while. Trading a reversal strategy, like if the market reverses, it's going to take a little bit of time to get a good setup. That's one kind of downside of this type of strategy. It's not great for reversals at all. 90% of traders are loose, so 90% of the customers were happy no matter what. It's true. Yeah, Citizen Zero, pretty much. Bad run yesterday. My trading was a special kind of dude. Made 4K on Friday and blew the account yesterday. Oh, I hear you, Coach Captain Crunch. Ugh, I hear you, man. All right, market. What's the plan here? This is definitely feeling like a ripper. Just feels like one of those. We kind of tested the 200s, 210s, and now the market just wants to rip it. We are testing VWAP, so maybe we get a pullback here. Either way, feel like we had. I don't want to jump the gun, but we might not get another setup if this reverses. It's unfortunate, man. We just needed a little bit more of a push lower here, and we would have had a really nice day. But hey, we'll take a green day. Green is green. We're not going to complain. YM is ripping. Okay. Oh, wow. Look, now we're pulling back a little bit more. Interesting. I guess, I don't know. Let's wait and see. This thing tested VWAP. Maybe it's going to rip right back up. Or right back down, I mean. Before the props, I was using Thinkorswim to trade stocks when they went free commissions. GME craze. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, John. I watched a lot of YouTube videos on the GME. I wasn't actually actively trading at the moment, but I was like living vicariously through other people in that time. If I start from scratch now, what do you recommend? What would I recommend if I just started trading now with prop firms? I mean, I would recommend going like start with like 1 or 2 evals, pass some evals, and just don't try, like take it slow and add on prop firms. I mean, I think a good option. Oh, wow. Look at this. We are getting a bigger pullback here. Wow. Big dump here. Right back down to the 230s. Are we might not be done here, folks. This thing wants to go lower, I guess. Potentially. That's a big rip lower from the 280s down to the 230s. Interesting. But I would use, like, I think for a new trader, like a take profit trader, or I mean, Apex is okay. Like if you can get Apex with a 90% sale, that's some really good price to try to pass some evals. Lucid is great. I mean, honestly, most prop firms are great for that, but just trade some evals, get some funded, and get your feet wet. Don't expect just immediately to make money. Some people do, but don't expect it. Just take it slow And then once you're starting to get payouts, then accumulate and add more prop firms to your arsenal. And just to know, it's a journey. It's a journey. It takes time. It takes time. But man, this is a big push lower now. Okay, I'm trying to, we might, the shorts, looks like the shorts are not done for the day. Interesting. What would I give to have started off with that mindset? I know Citizen Zero, same. Okay, let's see if we make new lows. Man, what a rejection off of the VWAP. Wow. That's kind of interesting. I don't know. That's pretty bearish. That is a pretty bearish move, fellas. Let's see if we take out the 200s here. We did not breach the 200s. That's interesting. Things are getting a little wild here. What is the plan? Is it just gonna bounce right off the 215s here and go right back up? I do not know. Probably just double top plus overextension. I mean, I don't know. It's starting to get choppy. I do feel like the market really the market is really going to be waiting for that CPI news to come out on Friday. We haven't had any significant news because of the government shutdown. And feel like that's going to move the market quite a bit on Friday. Is that Friday CPI news, like, is that dependent on the government opening back up, or is that going to happen regardless if the government is shut down or not? Does someone know? Oh, really? Gold is in a free fall? Oh, boys. Gold is starting to correct a little bit. Actually, what's the daily chart look like? I want to know. Oh, look at that daily candle. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, that looks like a meme stock. That looks like one of those Bitcoin meme stocks here. That's crazy. Man, look at that. That is wild. Wow. Wow. Man, that's crazy. All right, let's see if we make new lows here. It looks like we're going to take out that 200 level. Here it comes, and there she goes. Are we going to do it? Might be some support on gold at 41.26. Short gold on your Apex accounts and got out way too early, but great trade. Hey, let's go, Black Coffee. Gold is a meme coin. Oh, man. CPI is happening. They brought employees back to work on the data. Okay, good to know. Thank you, Trade Lou. Okay, thank you, Carolina. Happens regardless. Good to know. All right, we did not take out that 200. Huh. And now trying to bounce again. I don't know what to think here. $41.06 in gold. Look back at 1014. You see the double bottom support. Look at the 4-hour chart with the 9 EMA. The 4-hour. Oh, I don't have my 4-hour chart here. Hang on. Shoot. Hang on. We are going to have to make some adjustments here. Yeah, I see that. All right, let me... Yep, we're coming right down to it. Interesting. All right, I mean, okay, we got to ask, do I get it? Do I trade this? This is one of those setups where it's kind of iffy. We don't really have a good, clear downtrending channel. We've got our big overshoot right here. Feel like it's just a little more. I don't know. This is one where you could use some discretion, but technically, I mean, technically, does this really look like a good downward? Like technically, like I don't know. We might not even get a setup here, so. We wait, we see. Let's see what this market wants to give us. Find it interesting that we did not take out that 200 level. Feels a little bit, feels kind of bullish. Yeah, Hardzor, I agree. It's kind of almost turning into a channel, like going sideways. Almost feels like we're just going sideways now. But we'll wait and see. Let's wait and see. All right, we're about to test the 21 EMA on the 5-minute. 260s. Wow. That's a big bounce right off the we tested the 205s. 205s and a 50-point bounce right back up to the 260s. Wow. Yeah, this is kind of I don't think we take a trade here. It's too bouncy. I'm still holding 5 micros short on the 280s. Okay, Melvin. Good luck, sir. Good luck. We could definitely still see this thing drop, but right now it's just looking choppy. Looks like we want to go sideways. But it is interesting that we did not test or take out that 200 level. Makes me think that that's going to happen yet, but who knows? See if we get a rejection off of this 21 EMA. You recommend the same to someone that is in the prop firm for some time but not getting payouts? I know you struggled at first and you were able to get out of some debt. Yeah, I mean, Cuban coffee trader. Honestly, if you've been trading prop firms for a while and just been struggling to get to a payout, I would recommend slow down. Like the number one thing is to slow down. I know it seems counterintuitive, but it's true. Slow down, make sure you're just taking one account at a time, and try to pinpoint where your mistakes are being made, and then just really focus on baby steps and improving those areas. Whatever you can do to improve those areas. Okay, market, what's it gonna be? I'm gonna go I need to refill my water bottle. Hey, we're back. All right. Okay, market seems to be struggling a little bit to get up through the VWAP. Yeah, block the noise. Yeah, the market price action isn't great today. Thought we were going to get pretty clean price action to the downside, but last 30 minutes it's been very choppy. Don't really trust it. Let's see if we go back down or not. Just been wicking back and forth here. End up adding the debt and mental capital below zero. Yeah. Oh man, I'm having to ice my foot. Last week on Thursday, I walked 4 miles. I'm trying to walk a lot more. And I walked 4 miles on Friday or Thursday. And then I walked another 4 miles on Saturday. And something with my foot, the bottom of my foot, right behind my toes. Severe pain. Not fun. Yeah, okay. I guess back down we go. Back down we go. I'm happy just to be observing. I'm happy to be observing this. This is not great. This is just not great setup. Gotta try and do less distance. Yeah, I messed up, almighty. I pushed it way too hard too early, and now I'm paying the price. It was so weird because when I was walking, I didn't notice that I was having any pain in my foot at all. Like I felt fine, but then Sunday, oh man, it flared up bad. And yesterday it wasn't any better. Now this morning it's not any better. It's turf toe. No, it's not turf toe. I forget what you call it, but it's like the bottom of your foot right behind your toe on that flat surface is where my pain is. It's just like inflamed. It's swollen. It's miserable. He stepped in a pothole in the cold. Nope, nope. Can Tradeify and lose at the same time if Replicanto? Yes. Angles de Leon? Yes. Yes, you can. If you have Tradeivate accounts. You have to have Tradeivate accounts for both, and then Ninja Trader, and then Replicanto, and you can do that. Yes. That's what I do. I'm copy trading all these accounts at the same time, and all of these accounts are Tradeivate accounts. So it is definitely possible. With Ninja Trader, you can have one rhythmic connection. Only one. And then everything else has to be Tradeivate in order to use the copy trader like Replicanto. They explained it in the 49ers game because Brock Purdy has it. I see. Maybe I do have it, and I just don't know it. All right. What it's going to be, market? It feels like this thing wants to go higher, but it can't. Every time we bump our head on the VWAP, or we get close to the VWAP, we pull back. We're just gonna have to wait this out. This could be. It's gonna take a big move higher for us to get another setup, for us to get a setup long, and we're going to have to make new lows in order to get a setup short. So we're kind of in no man's land here. We're chilling though. No rush. What's gold doing? Gold's still doing crazy things. Let's go back to the 2-minute chart. Man, gold is insane. Man, maybe I should trade the 21 EMA strategy on gold. Right here would have been a great setup. Would have gotten in at the 41.880s. Man, what a move. It's crazy. Craziness. This 21 EMA would have worked out a couple times. I tell you what, man, gold is just crazy. I'm scared of gold. Like looking at the gold chart, I get scared. That looks dangerous. Very dangerous. I mean, I'm down for a wild time. I'm down for a good time, but gold is just a little too crazy. Yeah, micros are almost too big of a contract in gold. That's when you know things are crazy. you need the micros for the micros for gold. Oh man. But I'd gotta say, man, if you get in at the right time and hold, gold can pay. Gold can just, it's crazy what gold can pay you. All right, we're about to retest that VWAP once again. Yeah, we need nano contracts. We need nanos. Yep. Is it still ripping? Or see right here would. I'm not taking a trade here. Trust me. Not on gold. Wait, did you just buy the lows? 1014. My heart was pounding at him. Nice, John. I still don't understand the difference between take profit traders, end of day trailing drawdown, and how Apex does it. I mean, the end of day, so you don't get punished in between your trade, like in the middle of a trade, basically. Whatever you end of day, that's what the next day your drawdown will be, whatever, wherever you're at there. If you make it is kind of complicated, best guess trading. I almost need a I need a whiteboard to explain it better. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Huh. Hey, there's the move above VWAP. Making another. This is now the second time we try to hold VWAP. Let's see. Let's see if this can keep going. You're done with gold. You had a good relationship with it the last 24 hours. Yeah, eventually it's gonna get you, John. You gotta stop while you're ahead. Yep. Oh man, I'm icing my foot and it hurts. Ah. It hurts. Gotta go before it's burning hot, but just know, even while jogging, I will still have you on my screen and keep my Ninja Trader from closing. Yeah, let's go, Almighty. I appreciate that. I appreciate it. That's awesome. Okay, here we go. We are ripping it right back above the 280s. Oh, there's a break. Up through the 290s. Are we gonna keep ripping it? Yeah, I think there were definitely signs here. I don't know. We could not make new lows. These wicks were kind of telling a story. We definitely had some pretty good wicks here at the bottom. So let's see if we make new a push back above the 310s. The overnight high is all the way up here at the 367s. But we know that's definitely achievable. It's only 80 points. It's like nothing for this market. Let's go, Citizen Zero. That's awesome. Confirm you're not walking in boots? No, I'm not. No, I do have correct running shoes or walking shoe, whatever, and I'm not sure what caused it. I think maybe I need wider shoes. So I ordered myself wider shoes in hopes that maybe that was the issue. I don't know why this happened, but there's also a chance that I'm just getting old, you know? Maybe I'm just getting old. My body's like, you know what? I'm shutting down. I don't like when Nutty walks for 4 miles. I'm going to make his foot hurt. Well, we have officially closed above VWAP. All right, up above the 290s. Get running shoes. Okay, I mean, I actually got some ordered. I got some running shoes ordered. No, it's not plantar fasciitis. I know what that is. It's actually called, I forget, what is it called here? It's called, this. Don't ask me to pronounce it. I just know this is what it is. This is what it is, right here. My pain is exactly right here. It's called, I don't know, metatarsalgia. The ball of the foot becomes painful and irritated. That's it. That's it right there. And she hurts. It just hurts to walk. They say the only thing to do is ice it and give it rest. You just gotta Just got to give it rest until it heals. And then I got to stop and maybe start out with 2 miles a day and get different shoes. My plan. You got up to 7 to 8 miles a day without issues. Wow. I love to walk 6 miles a day. That's kind of what I'm aiming for. But maybe time to go swimming, actually. Not a bad idea, Dabda. You know what I need? I need to get some really good payouts so we can build a pool for our home in Florida. It's actually kind of my goal. My goal next year is to make enough payouts that we can put in a nice pool in our backyard. That's going to be my goal. Maybe I'll have like one of those. I'll have like on my screen, I'll have like one of those bars where it's like a goal. We need 130,000 in payouts, because that's how much the new pool is going to cost. I already got it quoted. Ugh. Hey, Trades by Neo, how we doing? My girlfriend has that. It's a nasty yeah, that's not fun. My wife had plantar fasciitis for a while, and that's painful, miserable. All right, sorry. I'm trying to find something on my. What is going on? Hmm. Oh, man, I'm trying to find something. Okay, hang on. I'm going to find it. All right, we are testing the 9 or the 21 EMA on the 1 minute chart. We really don't have it set up here because we're gonna be right at the VWAP. Got to wait for the next leg higher. Oh, man, maybe I can't find it. All right, I give up. I can't find it. I can't find it. Actually, I'm going to track this trade. I'm going to track this as the 1 minute. Technically, it would be a 1 minute 21 EMA setup here. So let's see if it would work. Let's see if we make new highs. Oh, man. Is Lucid legit? Clee, yes, I highly recommend Lucid Trading. Lucid Trading is, they've done everything right. I would definitely, I don't have any problem recommending Lucid Trading. They are one of the fastest payouts you will get. I've gotten over 30,000 in payouts with Lucid Trading, and every single one of them, it has taken less than a minute to 2 minutes for approval. It's very, very fast. Very seamless. All right, pulling back again. I feel like, I mean, this is a very solid entry. We have the VWAP, the 21 EMA on the 2 minute. Basically, we're just starting to cross over on the EMAs. We've got VWAP support here. Do feel like it's probably a decent long, but doesn't quite meet the setup, so we're going to wait. We almost need to make another push higher and make new highs for this to really pan out. All right, let's see we make new highs. Let's see we get back above the 300s. Got to get above the 300s here. And we wait patiently. See if we can make new highs. Hey, Scalpler, we are green. Thankfully, we love it. Hey, let's go, Sam Owen. You're signed up to the Tradeify competition with NBT. Let's go. Again, if you're not sure, guys, if you're not sure how to join, you just need, okay, one thing I did learn about the Tradeify Cup, you do need to have an active account. If you have an active account, then you can trade or you can enter the Grand Cup for no, like, $0 for free. Scalping with talent. Wait, he's pushing a new prop. Who is? Scalping. Rod. Who's Rod? What? What am I missing, John? Hey, Design Knob is here. Something pretty funny. Back when Pac-Man was... Oh, you're talking about Pac... No way, John. Okay, no, you're talking to Design Knob. Okay. Whew. It's like, please tell me Joom is not pushing... Oh no, the angry little man is pushing. Oh dear, help me. Oh, that's too funny. I'll be sure to check it out. But here's how the Tradeify Cup. So if you have an active account, you can enter the Grand Cup for free. If you go to your dashboard, your team right here, if you want to be on the NBT team, just click the drop down, click NBT, and join team. And if you do, basically, there are benefits. Basically, it's a, how would I say? We do different giveaways and stuff like that. I got to look at some of the rules again on what the benefits are, but you're basically joining a team, and then you can see who on the NBT team is winning. Oh, Rod. Okay, now I know what you mean. Now I get it. Now I get it, John. Excuse me, I'm a little bit slow sometimes. Oh, now I'm going to have to look. Uh-oh. Oh, dear. Ah, the guy's a special kind. Anyway, did we make new highs? We did not. Ugh. Market, it feels like the market today just wants to be a little bit difficult today. Feels like that. Just feels like the market wants to be a little difficult. All right, I gotta go put this ice pack back in the freezer. I might have to take a call, make a call here. All right, look at this. Back down we go. Failed to make new highs. Yeah, man, I'm telling you, this market, I'm not a fan. Not a fan of this at all. It just doesn't feel right. All the way back down, testing the 250s. We just could not get above that 300 level. And now his kids are crazy about video games as well. My two sons are still game junkies. Oh, I see. Oh, wow. Look at that wick. Look at that wick. How did you figure out your other time frame EMAs on the 2 minute? I wanted to do the same on the 1 minute. So you just multiply it. Basically, if you're trading on the 1 minute chart and you want to see you can obviously enter the 21 EMA, but then if you want to see the 21 EMA on the 2 minute chart, you just need to put it in as a 42 EMA. If you want to see the 5 minute, it would be 21 times 5, and that's the EMA. And then that actually is the same thing as my two sons are older than me. Oh, I see. Oh, man. Angelo 2024. Sorry. Do you have a coupon for Tradeify and Lucid? Yes, NBT. So I appreciate it, Angelo. Honestly, which one I would recommend? They're so similar that I would just take whoever is offering the better deal. I think if you're planning to go with 50Ks, I think right now Tradeify would be the better deal. I think so. Thank you, Jake Dell. I would appreciate it. So yeah, I think Tradeify with the 40% off is a little bit better deal than Lucid would be at 30% off. I think so. But they're very similar. Very similar. So I would just take the one that's the best deal. All right, I guess this was just a little bit of a sweep down below the 250s, and now we are what? We're just going to rip right back up? It does appear that way. I don't know what to make of this market. I don't know. I just got a 10-minute panic with open trade without stop. Internet went out. Oh no, the PC for some reason was not connecting. Now you're back. Oh, that's not fun, Melvin. Yeah, that's not fun. Lucid is 45 off. I think for new customers, they are 46 and 44. Wow, that's awesome, Ace Undercover. Short at 282s. Yeah. That would not fit the setup. I can't do it. I can't do it. Do I have an opinion on funding ticks, Doug Nessel? I mean, I don't have any complaints. I don't think they're like the best, but I have them. I trade them. It's good to have in the arsenal, I guess. Hang on, I got to take this call. Okay, guys, I might have to hang on. I got to do some things. Got too much stuff that I still need to finish before we head down to Florida. Okay. I need to actually leave, guys. I actually need to leave. I need to go get a signature. I need to go meet someone at the bank, kind of impromptu, but I have to do it now, or I'm not going to get done. I got to do it now. I don't feel like I'm going to miss much, but I do have to leave. I gotta bail here, guys. But I will be back tomorrow. And for now, I'm probably going to come back this afternoon. Are those pros, Lucid Pro, or they are Lucid direct accounts, Max 90. They are Lucid direct accounts. So I got to bail here kind of quickly. Something came up. I got to meet someone at the bank. So I will be back tomorrow, and we will catch you guys later. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Stay green, take care, and God bless.